ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nierenstein, this is Vehicle Virgins, and today we are going on a rally. Out of all the cars, deciding to take the 812 Superfast today, I honestly think this is the perfect car for any rally or road trip experience. It's fast, it sounds amazing, and it's comfortable over long distances. We are going to Palm Springs today, and honestly, while the 600 LT seats are fine, over shorter distances, maybe an hour or two, after a while, especially that trip to Scottsdale, my back was hurting like crazy. This, you can cruise for miles and miles. There's also tons of space in the trunk to fit overnight bags for a weekend trip with absolute ease. All right. Let's roll. All right, here we go. Got Justin in the house. Ready for this, dude?
Yes, sir.
Let's do it. This car sounds so epic.
This car is f***ing money.
Driving to the starting point now in Orange, California, Sync Wraps. Gonna have a little meetup there, and then we're off to Palm Springs. I'm pumped. First time seeing the Angels Stadium. Looks pretty sweet. All right, pulling up. All right, guys, just pulled up to the start of the rally. We got a police escort coming through to guide us at the start. Let's check out some of the cars.
What's up, guys?
We got this awesome Lotus Elise, beautiful green color, nice looking Jaguar. DB11 from last time.
Gotta love the Aston.
And then check out, he's the biggest Aston guy ever.
Gotta love
and then check out this crazy wide body Kobe Bryant Tribute M3. Look at the cage inside this thing. Huge variety of cars out here today. We got this heavily modified RX-7. And then in the back, it's got this custom water methanol injection kit. That's pretty sweet.
Cool. Yeah.
Nice little M5 action. Sweet black C63. Finally got this all cleaned up. 812 looking pretty. The legendary Elantra. Got some cool custom carbon fiber bits on this Tesla Model 3. Check that out. Carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber steering wheel. It's even got a wing on the back.
Big green.
And then over here, check out the wrap on this 458. Crazy wing, purple wheels. Nice looking Cadillac C7 Corvette, and this beautiful blue 720S. That lovely carbon fiber hood. And then check this out, guys. How familiar is this? The exact same spec as the Lamborghini Gallardo that I recently sold, Giallo Midas, and it is a manual. That is awesome. I miss this car, guys. It's freaking fantastic. Nice blue M3. And then we got a lovely LP 580. We got the Joker in the house. That's hilarious.
You good here?
Oh no, costume failure.
Ready? 3, 2. Okay.
Some cool cars being washed out in the front before the rally. We got this 570S with a crazy aero kit, and then one of the most wild wraps of all time on this Huracan Evo. Look at the reflectivity of that. That is wild.
I think we should put it in the front or just in the back again.
Check that out. Verde Mantis Huracan, identical spec to my first ever Huracan. What's going on, man? That's pretty random, actually. The fact that there is the same spec Huracan that I had and then an identical spec Giallo Midas Gallardo in a manual on the same rally. I'm super excited. They've got a super cool route plan going through some twisty canyons, Route 74 out in Palm Springs. About to hit the road. Just had our drivers meeting. Everyone's hopping in their cars now. We got the cops out in the front. Time to hop in and start the rally.
Buddy?
Here we go. Always ready.
Love it.
love having police escorts blocking off traffic for us. Supra, it's just like mine. This is gonna be sick, guys. I'm so excited for this. Look at this, we get to just run this red light. That's awesome. Now apparently this GTR up here is 1,400 horsepower. Look at that, they got a drone flying right above us. That guy's good. Whoa, look at that. Drone pilot's crushing it.
We'll send you some footage.
This is sick.
Yeah.
He's wearing the headgear. That's incredible.
Look at his headgear. That's freaking awesome. We'll let him concentrate.
Thank you, sir. Coming through, coming through.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Well, you don't see this every day. We're stopped in the middle of an intersection with the front car talking to the cop about where to go. Police escort. 220 sounds absolutely ridiculous. I'd like to see that thing race the GTR. About midway through the rally now, the 812 has performed absolutely fantastic, super comfortable. What do you think compared to the 600?
Amazing. Absolutely amazing.
We're coming up on some twisty roads up ahead on Highway 74, which I've driven a bunch of cars when I went down to Palm Springs to test drive the DBX as well as buy the Huracan Evo. So I'm really excited for that. We're going in the opposite direction. Been a fun time so far. Cool scenery out here with the rolling hills and the crazy plains. Got a Supra in front of us. Got that modified Tesla and that cool 458 with the crazy wing. We've kind of broken up into a bunch of different packs because the beginning of the rally was on a freeway and staying together with 50 or so cars is almost impossible, but done a decent job. Anything for the shot. That guy's a champion. Heading up into the mountains now. This is where the roads are going to get really sick. I am pumped to finally stretch the legs on the 812 in some twisty roads. Got some guys on ATVs. That's awesome. Check this out, guys.
It's pretty awesome.
Here we are now on the exact section of road that I took my Huracan Evo Spider out for the first time right before I bought it in Palm Springs. Love this section of road. We're headed down Highway 74. The scenery is beautiful. I mean, look at all the rocks and cliffs, and the turns are perfect. It's also really, really smooth pavement. Coming into the final home stretch of the rally. Should be at the hotel soon, but this has been fun. Sandwiched in between an M4, we got an AMG GT behind us, and look at that crazy view out over Palm Springs. Well guys, there you had it. Made it to Palm Springs, epic rally, a ton of sick cars. You have a blast?
Amazing.
Super awesome drives and a great group of people. So special thanks to Hypr Rally for making this possible, inviting us out on this rally. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. Look forward to seeing you next video.